In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the screenshot tool in Pinta. And if you found this video on YouTube, I'll provide a link below that will show you the step-by-step instructions for using the screenshot tool. It's very simple and very basic. I'll have this YouTube video embedded at the bottom once I post it online. But for now, let me close the website so that we'll not be generating a little icon on your taskbar at the bottom. Let me open up the picture folder. I'll right click and say open with Pinta, and once it opens in Pinta, I'll close out my picture folder. Now the screenshot tool is within your file menu, and you'll see it says new screenshot ... The ... just simply means it's going to bring up a dialog box. By default it has a 0, meaning there's no delay. That means that when I click the OK button, it's going to instantly take a screenshot of your entire screen, including the Pinta program minus your mouse pointer. So when I hit OK, boom, it instantly took a screenshot of my screen. As you can see, everything that's on here minus the mouse pointer. And that way I can edit this. This is a great utility or a little tool so that if I'm wanting to put this on my website about working with Pinta, I don't have to go to another application to take a screenshot. Then I can use the tools that are instantly available and start editing this picture so that I can put those images on my website. So if you're working within Pinta and you want to edit something and send what you did to someone via attachment or on the website, this is a great little tool to keep you from going to your applications or using other software to take the screenshot. Now it's very basic. It only takes the screenshot. It doesn't allow you to take a selection. However, with your selection tool, you can come in here and select something and then crop something out by going editing and then crop or cut something out. But I'm not going to do that here. That's not what this video is about. It's just by using the screenshot tool. So I'm going to close without saving. Now if I just open up the Pinta program itself, when I go to the file and I choose new screenshot, I can input a delay on here, like let's say for 3 seconds. And when I hit OK, I can minimize that, and you'll see it flicker at the bottom. There it flickered. It turned from normal fonts to bold fonts, indicating that it took the image. So when I open it up, there is your screenshot. Now normally, since I'm recording this video, you see a little red icon up here indicating that I'm screen recording. You can see my simple screen recorder on my taskbar here. If you're normally taking a screenshot of your desktop, you won't see that or that in your system tray and on your taskbar at the bottom. Now you do see where it says unsaved image 2. The reason it says 2 is 1 was previously open with the image I just opened. If you don't want to see that at the bottom, I'll show you how you can do that. So hit close without saving. When I go to file new screenshot, I can give myself a big enough delay so that when I can go like 8 seconds that you saw earlier, and when I hit OK, I'll minimize and then I'll right click on it and send it to another workspace. Now with an application open, you can see a little icon in the workspace in workspace 1. So I have to first minimize it so that you don't see the icon there, because if I put it in workspace 4, you'll see that icon in workspace 4. Let me show you. I hit OK, minimize, right click, say send to workspace 4. You don't see anything in workspace 4, but you can't see the fonts go from light fonts or normal fonts to a bold fonts, but you did see it flicker here. So now when I go to workspace 4, I open it up, you now see your desktop with nothing on your taskbar except simple screen recorder. And if you're just using this as a screenshot tool and you're not recording anything, you won't see simple screen recorder or your red dot in your system tray. So it will just be a screenshot or image of your desktop. I can put this back in workspace 1. That way I can go back to workspace 1 and I can edit, save this, send it to someone by email. Like I said, this is just a very basic screenshot tool. If you need a more advanced screenshot tool, I recommend that you install Shutter. With Shutter, you can do a selection. You can do the entire desktop, a selection underneath your cursor. You can choose one of the windows or workspaces. You can choose a section. You can just capture one of your menus. And the thing I like about Shutter is you can take a screenshot of a website. Like if I had my web page open, I could put that in there and it would take a screenshot of the web page. Now this is not a video on Shutter. I'm just saying if you need a more advanced screenshot tool, this is normally more advanced than your pre-installed screenshot tool by default on most Linux applications or Linux distributions unless they have Shutter as your default screenshot tool. But this is how you use the screenshot tool in Pinta, just to take a simple screenshot of your desktop so that you can edit it, make changes as you normally would. Not many screenshot image editors or photo editors comes with a built-in screenshot tool. That's just one nice feature that Pinta has. Hopefully this has helped you on understanding how to use the screenshot tool in Pinta, and have a great day.